Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, 2008. Goldman Sachs is seeking to acquire up to $50 billion in assets from ailing U.S. banks as part of its push into commercial banking. The Financial Times reports that Goldman is moving quickly to profit from its push into traditional banking by expanding its activities of its Utah Industrial Loan Corporation. Goldman plans to talk to the U.S. regulators to identify up to $50 billion in assets it could buy from troubled lenders. Staying with capital markets news, the UK government's ruling that B-Sky-B must sell a chunk of its stake in ITV could lead to a takeover bid by Germany's RTL. The ITV is UK's chief terrestrial commercial broadcaster. Thomson Merger News reports that Europe's largest commercial TV broadcast, RTL, has been rumored to be looking at ITV for some time. A bid could take place between 6 to 9 months to materialize, and a suitor would also need to pay a premium plus £700 million for the company's debt and other estimated £1 billion to cover its pension deficit. And in more capital markets news, U.S. toy company RC2 Corp terminated its $163 million purchase agreement for the children's publishing division of privately held Publications International. Reuters reports that the company cited high financing costs and adverse capital markets for its reasons for abandoning the bid. In June, the Oak Brook, Illinois-based toy maker said it planned to buy the children's publishing division to further expand into the market for preschool products. And in other capital markets news, a Japanese consortium is the strongest candidate to take Brazilian steelmaker CSN's Namisa iron ore unit. Reuters reports that the Japanese group emerged as the main bidder after a group of Chinese companies abandoned talks last week. The Chinese consortium, led by Shigang Group, has pulled out of the running due to a lack of consensus about the value of its bid. And that rounds out today's capital markets report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.